If you fell into a black hole, you might think you would die instantly. But that is not what would actually happen. Instead, something much more strange would begin. At first, everything might feel completely normal. You wouldn't feel any sudden impact. You wouldn't notice anything unusual right away. There would be no explosion or visible danger. But in reality, something irreversible has already started. You are moving toward a point of no return. A black hole is not just an object. It is a region of space with extreme gravity. This gravity is so strong that nothing can escape. Not even light can escape from it. Black holes form when massive stars collapse. These stars run out of energy over time. Gravity pulls everything inward. The star collapses into itself completely. All its mass is compressed into a tiny space. This creates enormous density. The gravitational pull becomes incredibly powerful. Everything nearby is affected. Even space itself begins to bend. Time also starts to change. As you move closer to the black hole, you begin to feel its pull more strongly. This force increases every second. Your movement becomes harder to control. Eventually, you reach the event horizon. This is the point of no return. Once you cross it, escape becomes impossible. No force can bring you back. From the outside, something strange happens. An observer would see you slowing down. Your movements appear slower and slower. Eventually, you seem to stop moving. You appear frozen in time, as if you are stuck at the edge forever. But from your perspective, nothing feels frozen. Time continues normally for you. You can still think and observe. You do not feel any sudden stop. This happens because gravity bends time. It also bends space itself. The closer you get, the stronger it becomes. Reality begins to distort around you. Distances stop behaving normally. Time no longer feels the same. Then comes one of the most extreme effects. Gravity does not pull your body evenly. Different parts of your body feel different forces. Your feet are pulled more than your head. This creates a powerful stretching force. Your body begins to elongate. Your muscles start to stretch. Your bones begin to separate. Your internal organs are affected. You become longer and thinner. The stretching continues without stopping. The force keeps increasing. Your body is pulled into a narrow shape. Eventually, you become a thin line. Scientists call this spaghettification. It is one of the most violent effects in space. There is no way to resist this force. It happens naturally due to gravity differences. This is where survival becomes impossible. After crossing the event horizon, there is absolutely no escape. You continue falling deeper inside. There is no direction you can move to escape. Everything leads further inward. But something even stranger happens. Space and time begin to switch roles. Moving forward becomes unavoidable. Just like time always moves forward. You are forced deeper into the black hole. You cannot stop or slow down. The concept of distance changes. Forward becomes the only possible direction. You are no longer moving freely. You are guided by space-time itself. At the very center of the black hole, scientists believe there is a singularity. This is a point of infinite density. All mass is compressed into an extremely small space. Gravity becomes infinitely strong. The laws of physics stop working here. Everything we know breaks down. Equations no longer work. Time and space lose meaning. This is where our understanding ends. What happens beyond this point is still unknown. Scientists have many theories, but none are fully proven. Our current physics cannot explain it. We simply do not know what happens next. This is one of the biggest mysteries in science. Black holes challenge our understanding. They force us to rethink reality. They show how little we truly know. And what happens beyond that? We may never truly know. Some mysteries may remain forever. Black holes remind us of our limits. They show how much we still don't understand, and how much there is left to discover. Follow Loop Mist for more.